Hello students, this is our first question. In this question, find the coordinates of the center of the circle passing through the points 0, 0, -2, 1 and -3, 2. Also find its radius. Suppose this is a circle which is passing through these given points are 0, 0 and -2, 1, -3, 2. And suppose center of the circle will be at O. The coordinate of O are x, y. Clear? So first of all, we find this distance OA, OB and OC. These distances will be radii of the circle. Clear? So OA square equal to x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square means OA square equal to x square plus y square, and OB square will be x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square using distance formula. So value of OB square will be x square plus y square plus 4x minus 2y plus 5. Clear? And value of OC square will be, so using formula distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then we will get OC square equal to x square plus y square plus 6x minus 4y, and this will become 9 plus 4 means 13. Clear? So these are three equations. Now here OA square will be equal to OB square. Why? Because of these are radii of the same circle. So value of OA square is x square plus y square, and value of OB square is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 2y plus 5. Clear? So x square and y square cancel to each other. So value this will become 4x minus 2y equal to minus 5. Clear? This is our fourth equation. Now equating OB square and OC square. So OB square equal to OC square. So we will get x square plus y square plus 6x minus 4y plus 13. Clear? Plus 13 equal to x square plus y square minus, sorry, plus 4x minus 2y plus 5. So x square cancel, y square cancel. So this will become 6x minus 4x. Clear? And here minus 2y. So this is minus 2y when minus 4y. This is minus 4y. So minus 4y. When you transfer this minus 2y in this, then we will get minus 2y. And this is 13 plus 13. Clear? Minus 5 equal to 0. So this will become twice x minus twice y plus 8, or 2x minus 2y equal to 8 minus 8. So it can be written as x minus y equal to minus 4. Now solving equation 4 and 5th, we will get value of x and y. So for this, subtracting equation 5th from equation 4, then we will get 4x minus 2y equal to minus 5, and this is 2x minus 2y equal to minus 8. So this will become minus This will become positive, this will become positive. 2y cancel, here 2x equal to, this is how much? Plus 3. So value of x will be 3 by 2. Clear? Now putting value of x in equation 5 or 4. So we will get 4 into 3 by 2 minus 2y equal to minus 5. Clear? 2 2 cancel. So this is 6. When you transfer towards minus 5, then you will get minus 11 by minus 2. So this will become 11 by 2. So center of the circle will be 3 by 2 comma 11 by 2. Clear? So for radius of the circle, putting the value of x and y in equation first, then we will get radius of the circle. So OA square equal to x square plus y square. So this will become 3y2 square plus 11y2 square. So this will become 9 by 4. This is 121 by 4. So this will become 130 by 4. So this OA is radius. So r square will be 130 upon 4. So r will be under root 130 upon 4. Clear? So radius of the circle will be 1 by 2 under root 130. Clear? So this is our required answer. Now our next question is, find the point on y-axis. Find a point on y-axis which is equidistant from the points 5, minus 2 and minus 3, 2. Clear? So suppose this is our x-axis and y-axis. Points are 5, minus 2 and minus 3, 2. 5, minus 2. Clear? 5, minus 2. Suppose this is 5, minus 2, and other point is minus 3, 2. So minus 3, 2, suppose here minus 3, 2. We should find a point on y-axis which is equidistant from the. So suppose point will be here. Clear? Point will be here. This is C. So join this point and this point. Clear? So these points are equidistant from C, which is lying on y-axis. Clear? So coordinate of C will be 0, y. Now here this is suppose A and this is B. So AC square will be, because of AC equal to BC given. So this implies that AC square will be BC square. Clear? So using distance formula, so we will get AC means 5 minus x2 by using x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So 5 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 means minus 1 minus y whole square equal to BC means minus 3 minus 0 whole square plus this is 2 minus y whole square. Clear? This point is 5, minus 2. So here minus 2. Now this is 25 and this will become 4 plus 4y plus y square, and this will become 9 plus 4 9 plus 4 plus y square minus 4y. Clear? Y square cancelled, and here 9 plus 4 will become 13 minus 4y, and 25 plus 4 will become 29 plus 4y. Clear? So transfer 4 by this 4y towards this side, then we will get 4y plus 4y, and this will become 13 minus 29, right? So 8y equal to how much? Minus 16. Clear? So y will be minus 2. Clear? Value of y is minus 2. So coordinates of C will be 0 comma y will be 0 comma minus 2. Clear? That's our required. Now our next question is, in this question, find the coordinates of the circumcenter of the triangle whose vertices are 8 comma 6, 8 comma minus 2 and 2 comma minus 2. Also find its circumradius. So in this question vertices are given. Suppose the circumcenter is P. Clear? So coordinate of P are x comma y. Now join this P point to the vertices A, B and C. Clear? So PA, PB and PC will be equal. PA equal to PB equal to PC will be equal. Why? Because of these are radii of the same circle. Because of these are radii of the same circle. Clear? So therefore PA square equal to PB square. Clear? So using distance formula, so suppose coordinates of P are x comma y. So PA will be 8 minus x whole square plus 6 minus y whole square, and PB will be 8 minus x whole square plus minus 2 minus y whole square. Clear? So 8 minus x whole square in both the sides same. So this is cancelled. And 6 minus y whole square. This will become 36 plus y square minus 12y, and this will become 4 plus 4y plus y square, and y square is cancelled to each other, and when you transfer this 12y towards 4y, then you will get, and 4 transferred towards 36, then you will get 36 minus 4 equal to how much? 4y plus 12y. Clear? So 16y equal to how much? 32. So y will be how much? 2. So y is 2. Clear? The value of x will be fine from the next equation. So here PB will be PC. So PB square equal to PC square. Clear? So PB is how much? PB is this. So use here 8 minus x whole square plus minus 2 minus y whole square, and PC will be 2 minus x whole square plus minus 2 minus y whole square. Clear? So this term in both the side is same, so this is cancelled to each other. So here 8 minus square, 8 minus square means 64 plus x square minus 16x, and this will become 4 plus x square minus 4x. Clear? So x square cancel, and when you transfer 16x toward this side, then you will get 64 minus 4 equal to how much? plus 16x and minus 4x. So this will become 60 equal to how much? 12x. So x will be 5. So value of x is 5. It means coordinate of circumcenter of the triangle. Coordinates of circumcenter are 5, 2. So radius is PA square or PB square or PC square. Clear? So PC square is how much? PC square is 2 minus x whole square plus minus 2 minus y whole square. So value of x and y will be 2 minus x is 5. So 2 minus 5 square plus minus 2 minus y is minus 2. So this will become minus 3 square plus minus 4 square. Clear? So PC square will be 9 plus 16. PC means radius square. So radius square is 25. So R equal to 5 unit. Clear? So radius of the circum circle will be 5 unit, and circumcenter is 5 comma 2. So this is our required answer. Now next question is, find a point on the x-axis which is equidistant from the points this. So a point on x-axis which is equidistant from the point 7 comma 6. Suppose this point 7 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. Minus 3 comma 4 means this is minus 3 comma 4. Clear? So these are 2 points which are equidistant from a point which is on x-axis. Suppose point is P. Coordinates are P, x comma 0. Clear? Because of it lying on x-axis, it means y coordinate will be 0. So join this point P and this. Clear? So these distances are equal in which are given in the question. It means, so this is point A and this is B. It means PA equal to PB is given. So this implies that PA square equal to PB square, right? So PA square will be 7 minus x square, clear, plus 6 minus 0 whole square equal to PB will be, this is minus 3. So this is minus 3 minus x whole square plus minus 3 minus x whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square. Clear? So this will become 49 plus x square minus 14x plus this is 36. Clear? And this will be equal to 9 plus x square minus 6x, and this is 16. So x square and x square cancel to each other. Clear? And this is minus 14x. So when you transfer this for minus 14x towards minus 6x, then you will get, and this term transferred towards this side, left side. So this is 49 plus 36 minus 9 minus 16, and this is minus 6x and this is plus 14x. Clear? So this will become this 20 and 40 60. So this is 60 equal to, this is how much? So this 14 minus 6x, this is 8x. Clear? So value of x will be how much? 15 by 2. So value of x is 15 by 2. So the point will be, coordinates of P will be 15 by 2 comma 0. That is required answer. Now next question is, so that the points A 5 comma 6 1 comma 5 and 2 comma 1 and these are the vertices of a square. Clear? So this is the same as the above question. So in this type of question we will find first of all the sides AB, BC, CD and DA and two more diagonals AC equal to BD, right? If these two conditions are satisfied, then the given coordinates will be the vertices of a square. So do yourself, do yourself. Next, find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from the points this. This is also same as the above question, so you can solve yourself. So in this question, find the value of x such that PQ equal to QR, where the coordinates of the points P, Q and R are 6 given 6 comma minus 1, 1 comma 3 and x comma 8 respectively. Clear? So in this question P, Q and R are given. Clear? So coordinates of P are 6 comma minus 1 and Q is 1 comma 3. Clear? So and R is x comma 8. So in this question this side PQ, this side PQ is given to QR, this side. Clear? So this PQ equal to QR. So PQ equal to QR. This is not equal to. So PQ equal to QR. Clear? So this implies that PQ square equal to QR square. Clear? QR equal to QR square. So using distance formula. So this will become 1 minus 6 whole square. And plus this is 3 minus minus plus 1 whole square equal to QR is x minus 1 whole square plus 8 minus 3 whole square. So this is minus 5 square plus 4 square and this will become x square minus 2x plus 1 and this will become 5. This is 25. Clear? So this cancel. So this is 4 square means 16 equal to this is x square minus 2x plus 1. So this 16 transfer toward this side, then you will get x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 16 equal to 0. So this is x square minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. So now factorize it. So now we will get x square minus 5x plus 3x. Clear? Minus 15 equal to 0, taking x as at a common. So here x minus 5 inside the bracket, and when you will take 3 as a common, then you will get x minus 5. So x minus 5, this factor same in both the step terms, so you will get x minus 5 as a common, then you will get x plus 3 in the next bracket. So equal to, this is equal to 0. So product of these two factors is 0. It means at least one of them is 0 or both of the 0. When you equating these factors, then you will get x minus 5 equal to 0 equating to 0, then you will get x plus 3 equal to 0, then x equal to 5 and here x equal to minus 3. So value of x is x equal to 5 or x equal to minus 3. So in this question you can find value of x, means your required answer is this. Thank you.